Hey everybody, it's Eric. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a put credit spread into either an iron fly or to simply box out the spread so that you can lock in a gain. And there's a couple reasons why you may want to do this. If you have PDT issues and you're trading 0 DTE, and let's say you sell a put spread and you are, up in profit, but maybe you don't want to take profit because you don't want to trigger a day trade because maybe you have a PDT issue. So this is probably where this applies the most, but let's just kind of talk through the concept here. I do have a live trade on to kind of make this video. I had sold the 57.40, you can see it's a short put, and bought the 57.35. I got a credit of $200. So in this trade, my max gain is $200. My max loss is $300, and as long as SPX stays above 57.40, I would get the max gain. If you add 200 and 300, that's 500, which is the equivalent of the spread. This is a 5-wide spread. So let's go to the, let's just look at the position here. In this moment, I'm up about 50 bucks. So I remember my max gain's 200. So I'm at, let's call it 25% of that max gain. So let's say I want to go ahead and take my profit, but I don't want to trigger a day trade. Again, this is 6 days to expiration, but this applies for 0 DTE too. If I go to the table, what I can do is I can sell the opposite of the current position. So in this case, I would sell the 57.35 call. I'm basically going to sell a call spread, and I can buy the 57.40. So I'm basically now sort of going the opposite of the current position. And let's just say I'm going to lock this in. Let's just say I got a credit of $3.45. If I go back to the curve, we can now see that I've locked in that gain. And no matter where SPX lands at expiration, I'm going to make that $45. So this is a full, just like lock it in, let it expire. You will pay maybe some exercise fees, that type of stuff. That still applies if you hold it, but you will not get triggered for a day trade because you're essentially opening a new trade that is equally offsetting your existing trade. The other option, which you may want to consider, is if you can get it, is you can actually convert it to an iron fly where you're selling the same option as your short put. So you sell a call where your short put is, and then you buy a call above. So this is essentially creating an iron fly. So let's just say we got, I'll just lock it in 330. Now when we go to the curve, we are locking in part of the gain. So we're going to lock in $30. So no matter what, SPX, no matter where I should say SPX lands, will make at least $30 above or below. But if we land somewhere in here between 57.35 and 57.45, we would actually have a potential to make more money. But the goal really is to turn this into a risk-free trade, which is one kind of purpose why you would do this, as well as avoiding any PDT issues if it was like 0 DTE. So those are a couple ways you can convert a credit spread, a put credit spread, I should say, into either an iron fly like this, or in the previous example, you just lock in the current spread or your current profit so that you can just let it go to expiration and you know that you have that winner. All right, I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video.